Florida offers a lot of amazing places to visit, but make sure not to miss Tampa. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the things to know before you go to Tampa. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at the best time to visit Tampa. The best time to visit Tampa is from September to January. Weather is pleasant and hotels offer fantastic rates. May through to August are busy months and the weather can be uncomfortable. February to April are much cooler months to visit, meaning plenty of people plan a trip at this time, resulting in higher prices. July is the hottest and wettest month, so avoid this if possible. So now let's look at getting there. Most visitors will fly into Tampa via the Tampa International Airport or St. Pete Clearwater International Airport. Between the two airports, 30 airlines run non-stop flights to over 100 cities worldwide, meaning there are plenty of options and pricing is competitive. Once you have arrived at either airport, you could of course rent a car or take a taxi, but there are also shuttle vans and buses available as well. Tampa is also an easy drive from destinations such as Orlando and Miami, making it an ideal place to visit if you have extra time to explore Florida. You can also take an Amtrak to Tampa Union Station with routes available from other cities in Florida, Georgia, North and South Carolina, and Virginia. So now let's look at getting around Tampa. There are plenty of ways that you can travel around Tampa. The Heart Smart AV is an electric shuttle around the downtown area and also includes water taxis along the river too. You could choose to use the bike share programs to cycle around Tampa, and driving yourself is also a great option with plenty of parking available in the city. E-scooters are becoming more and more popular in Tampa, as is the Zipcar website, an app that allows you to rent cars by the hour or day from car owners in the city. So now let's look at the typical prices in Tampa. There aren't too many hostels in Tampa to choose from, but budget hotels offer rooms for around $70 a night. For a little more space in a chain hotel, expect to pay at least $99, whilst high-end hotels start at around $250. You can find an easy breakfast or lunch for under $10, but expect to pay more when you're in a sit-down restaurant, especially if you're in a touristy area. So now let's look at ways to save money in Tampa. So Tampa has a lot to offer and those attraction prices can add up. Get yourself the Tampa Bay City Pass to save money on attractions, including Busch Gardens, the Florida Aquarium and Zoo Tampa. We will leave a link in the description below for that city pass. Another way to save some money on attractions is by getting some deals on websites like Groupon, meaning you can save money on the things to do as well as restaurants around the area too. You could also enjoy the free attractions like the Florida Botanical Gardens and the Heritage Village in Largo. Tampa also has a lot of vacation rentals that can be an affordable option for groups of travelers or couples and families looking for a bit more space. So now let's look at the best things to see and do in Tampa. There are plenty of things to see and do in Tampa for all types of travelers. Spend an afternoon taking a relaxing walk along the Tampa Riverwalk, or enjoy the animals and roller coasters at the popular Busch Gardens theme park. Florida Aquarium and Zoo Tampa are great attractions for families, as are the many boat tours available. There are plenty of museums to choose from too, including the Museum of Science and Industry and Tampa Bay History Center. Watch this video to find out the best places to visit in Florida. Then, take a trip down to Miami and learn about the things to know before you go there. We hope you have an incredible time in Tampa. Stay safe and stay creative.